Leader Readers, it's Kayla with Leader Publications, and we're here with Brian today at Bellacino's. We're doing our Fine Flash drawing. Brian, where are you located?
This is our Arnold location. So first of all, thanks. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Facebook Live event that we're doing. We're excited to have a chat with you and kind of show you what Bellacino is all about, what makes us your one-stop shop for delicious food and great time.
Now you have multiple locations?
Yep, we have 2 locations in our franchise. So Arnold off of Jeffco Boulevard, 3484 Jeffco Boulevard, just by Richardson Road, and then in South County, up off of up off of just past Lindbergh on 6167, the old Kmart Plaza, 3817 Lindbergh Road.
And today we're in the Arnold location.
So that is correct.
All right, take us on a tour.
Yes, sure. I think first we'll stop here, kind of show everyone a little mix of what we have to offer here. So we know fresh is best, so kind of a fun get to know us is we make all of our dough for bread, and all of our pizza dough is fresh every day. So we have the best ingredients made from scratch. Everything you see, it's made fresh today. We often hear from our guests that we have the best pizza in town, best grinders in town. Grinders is an example of our sandwiches, our open sandwiches. So
where did the name grinder come from?
So grinder came from, it's an old World War II terminology. So back whenever World War II vets got back in, they would go to the local Italian shop, order a sandwich, and they'd be working all day. So the workers would stack it full, overfilled with ingredients. So that term grinder just kind of stuck, and that's what we like to use because we don't skimp on the as you can see, we don't skip on any of the ingredients. But we're more than just food. So if you want to take a spin around here, we have our bar area, which is